guys, today we're solving for u in this equation, and how we go about that is first we add 32 to both sides. And what we get left over with is u minus 2 squared equals 32. The next step would be taking the square root because we want this u outside of this parentheses. And if we take the square root of one side, we also have to do it to the other. Now, taking the square root, the next best thing to do would be to simplify that radical. And how we simplify that radical is to break it up into perfect squares. And a perfect square is something like 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, something you know what the square root of is. So if we break up 32, we can break it up into 2 and 16. And we know 16 is just 4 squared. So if we rewrite this as two radicals, we have 2 times square root of 16, and the square root of 16 is just 4. So we have 4 times square root of 2. And we're also going to put a plus or minus because if we square a negative number or its positive alternative, then it's going to come out to being the same number. So now what we have is u minus 2 equals plus or minus 4 times square root of 2. And what we'll do from here is add 2 to both sides. So we get u equals 2 plus or minus 4 square root of 2. Now in Alex, we don't have a button that's plus or minus. So what we'll do is just break it up into two things. So we have u equals 2 plus 4 times square root of 2. And then we'll put a comma and put 2 minus 4 times square root of 2. And that would be your final answer.